What's up and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today we're doing an iPhone XS drop test. That means we're gonna drop it until it breaks, and then when it breaks, we're gonna just shatter it like crazy. It's gonna be super epic because we got a phantom slow motion V1611 camera that's gonna be shooting at 18,000 frames per second to capture the shatteringness in all its glory. Without further ado, let's get dropping.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, too nervous. Is it gonna break on the first one?
Oh, I hope not.
I think we're gonna go 4 drops without breaking.
I'm gonna go with 4. That's a good call. I'm just gonna make that happen.
You can't tie me.
I can tie you if I want to.
You're gonna go 3 or 5.
I'm gonna go with 6 then. I'm gonna go with 6.
How many drops do you think it'll survive? Let me know in the poll in the top right. Here we go. Okay, we're dropping it in, oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was gnarly. Here it is. Boom!
There we go.
It's right on the edge.
Yep.
Right on the stainless steel frame. I think we're gonna be good here unless it whips down on the glass.
Yep.
That was nice. Okay, let's go see if that phone survived or not. Here we go. Did it crack on the first drop? Oh, did it? Did it crack?
No.
Oh, it's scratched.
Oh, it is though. Yep, you're right.
It is scratched, but it doesn't look cracked. The rubber actually protected it from the initial impact. You can see the main impact is pretty gnarly.
Yep.
Looks a bit better now though. Okay, all right.
Brush it off, brush it off.
Drop 1. We're doing good. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that did not look good.
That one did not sound as good.
Did not sound good.
Ooh.
I think I felt something hit my pants on the side too, like maybe some debris or something. Here it comes. Hits. Boom.
Ooh.
See, and see the thing hits my pants.
Oh, you were right. No, are you kidding me? There's no way you felt that. There's no way you felt that. Was like, it's like an ant touching you and you're like, oh, I see that ant.
Well, let's see if it survived that. All right, back is not shattered. Front is not shattered still. What?
So far, so good.
That's good, that's good. Let's go ahead and try dropping it again. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that slid on the glass. Oh man. Okay, here it comes.
Nosedive.
Top left corner.
Boom.
Boom.
Looking pretty good.
It is looking pretty good so far.
It's gonna be like 100 drops and it's still gonna be fine.
Let's see if it's scratched.
Yeah,
that's pretty bad.
That was a slide.
That is a pretty far slide. Okay, well the back once again looks pretty good.
It keeps landing face down.
Oh.
I don't see.
No shatter. Super minor scratches across the front. I don't think I even really noticed those though, you know, under normal use if the screen's on. So, not worried about that. Dropping it on the top this time in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was vicious. Oh my goodness, here it comes.
A little more of an angle.
Yep. Boom. Man, that thing sounded like a skateboard.
Yeah, it did. It sounded not good. Not for a phone.
Man, it looks good so far. That is impressive though, because if it hits the side, like basically stainless steel sides on the main impact, your iPhone XS is probably going to be just fine. Okay, did it shatter? Looks good.
Yep.
The front also looking pretty good. I mean, we got these scuffs, you know, on the sides, but that's pretty much standard when it comes to dropping your stuff onto concrete.
Yeah.
I'm just glad that the glass hasn't shattered.
Yeah.
And that it's not scratched terribly yet.
Not bad at all.
Awesome. Let's go ahead and keep dropping. Going for a side drop. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, face down. That was a face down. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
There it is. It's coming in for a face down.
Yeah.
That's like pretty much a face down. Really close.
Yeah.
Ooh, did it shatter?
That looked like there might have been a little glass or something. I don't know.
Don't know. Oh my gosh. Did it survive that pretty much face down angle drop? Oh, it did not.
Yikes.
Look at that. Screen is still working.
Right across the
oh yeah, there's a hairline crack all the way across, as well as crack here, and then it goes up that side.
There's another one down here. There's 2 of them actually. It splits off.
Boom. It wasn't even a full face down. It was like side impact, pop back up. Basically, if you get an angle like this to here, you're good. But the moment it goes like that, you're done.
Done.
Drop number 5 did it in. Dude, we tied halfway.
did, right in the middle.
Drop 4, drop 6. Let's go ahead and smash this sucker. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button, guys. Let's go ahead and see what a obliterated iPhone XS looks like. Hopefully I can also aim to the right spot, because this is like I'm whipping it, you know?
Are you gonna ninja start into that light?
Hopefully not. In 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Oh.
My goodness. Icy glass. Here comes that phone.
Oh, that's not a regular speed, is it?
Yeah.
That is a chuck.
Kaboom.
Directly on the top. Oh, you can see where it separated right there. From
Yeah, you can see the frame bending really hard on the phone. The pattern of the glass as it reflects the light, like it's like super shattered. You can like see it.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, whoa, you could see that. The little lines that go all the way across it.
It's still on.
Is it?
It's still on.
Oh my god.
Look at that. That is ridiculous.
Ooh.
Oh, it's really shattered now. Look at that frame, dude. It's like all out of place. We have separation of the screen and the frame right now. Oh, and the back is just destroyed. But it's still working somehow. I'm gonna see if Face ID is still working.
Get started.
It's still working. What? That's amazing.
That's pretty incredible.
We gotta chuck this again and see what kind of damage we can get. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! 18,000 frames per second.
The same spot.
Oh my god.
Literally tries to bend that back part now.
Holy crap, that is insane.
How is the screen on?
Oh, you can kind of see like a weird white thing going across the display. Oh, we're gonna get a turnaround for the back shot.
There we go. Shaka!
Oh, dang!
Yeah, you can see that's just no good.
That is obliterated.
Yeah.
Holy crap! Awesome. I still can't believe the screen's on. I think we gotta
We're gonna
smash
get
it
another
one
flip
more
around.
time.
There we go again.
Whoa! It looks like it went completely white for a little bit.
Oh.
And then it comes back!
It came back.
No
That is crazy. You got that in slow motion.
No.
Refreshing itself.
What?
I will survive.
Oh my god.
Yikes.
That is a super bent up phone. Oh, it's still on
Oh,
somehow.
no way.
What the heck? It's still on somehow. But
works
it's
really
not
well, too.
responding.
Yeah.
It's not responding though.
Look at that.
I don't want to turn it off now because it will be donezo. We're gonna do a slam number 3 because this thing just won't die. That is ridiculous. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, I think I messed it all up, but oh my god. Oh, the impact.
Oh, just literally the top frame comes off.
Oh my god.
And then we go again.
Oh, yeah. It's covering them in white.
Uh-huh.
That's the white flash
Yeah,
thing.
that we saw from
It
earlier.
happened in the last one. It just didn't keep doing it. Whoa, there's so much shattering going on. Glass just going everywhere.
That is destroyed.
Holy crap. Do we gotta do it one more time?
I don't know, man.
Oh my god. I think we got to, man. It's not completely dead.
It has nothing
How?
to protect it on the top now.
Oh, come here.
Oh, look at
come
that.
Here. Look at that. It's lighting up like crazy. It's like a Christmas tree.
Let's see it. And the screen is still on. What? No! I don't believe it.
This whole thing is just loose.
It's dangling, dude.
That is insane. Look at that camera.
It's dangling off, dude.
Oh my god.
Look at that. It's
It's like a loose tooth.
literally wiggling it.
How is it not completely dead yet? Last slam, no matter what. We're gonna see if we can get this thing to completely turn off. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Oh,
Here it comes.
already looks so bad.
It's perfect. Perfect throw. Oh, no. Dude.
Poor little thing. Oh, right on the top where it has no protection. Dude, it almost turned the screen back on. It looks like it turned the screen. No, maybe not.
It flashed on after it hit the ground for just a millisecond.
Yep.
But
Oh,
gee.
that is destruction.
That is a gnarly amount of glass.
Yeah.
Holy.
Is it smoke?
Oh,
No.
Oh,
No. Did you see that?
it flashed.
It did flash.
It flashed on for a second. There's the Face ID.
What Face ID?
That's the Face ID sensors.
Oh my god.
That is just so destroyed.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, that is one absolutely destructoed phone.
Destructoed.
Dude, that is insane. Just from drop test.
Throw tests at the end.
Slam test?
Slam test.
Just slams? It looks like it was literally just sawed off with like a power saw.
Yes.
Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, hit the like button. We will see you guys in the next one. Brandon and Chad out. Woo! Woo! Yeah, we get a woo.
We got
Classic
it.
woo.